Alright, hey, what's up? Welcome to another, this is what, day 7? Day 7 of the Vlogmas. I'm there on again right now for Scotiabank Football League. And so hopefully it will be a fun day. Let's check it out. Okay.
So why just coming here?
No, because I just get a reason. Somebody just tell me say, yo, I'm come on for support the youth. I'm gonna say, alright then. Alright, so where am I there right now?
General, welcome to the place of the Arnett Garden Strikers. Biggest thing in the Arnett Garden FC, the biggest football team in the Premier League. Welcome to Arnett Gardens, welcome to Jungle.
And
this is love.
And this is a place to be at all times.
At all times. At all crimes, at all times.
So all going around here, sir, right now?
Right now you have a Scotiabank Kartel next player going.
Yeah.
So they took it to the best venue they could ever find. Apart from the National Stadium. Arnett Garden Sports Complex, Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. So we have some youngsters, some doing them thing and trying to make it to the next level. Because everybody has a dream, everybody tries as a dream, and if you have a football dream, this way start from the grassroots. So Kartel Scotiabank, giving it to them.
Alright.
Emmanuel Christian Academy 1, Portsmouth Primary 0. This match promises to be an exciting game. Meanwhile, on field number 4, Rousseau Primary is on the attack. Two exciting semi-final games here at the Tony Spalding Sports Complex. The Scotiabank CONCACAF.
So here as usual, always a fair have food at some point in time of the day. What kind of fish is this?
Rice fish.
Oh, first a second it looked like oxtail a while ago. I said, okay, and a sneak piece of oxtail for me. And this is the same drink?
True juice.
Oh, true juice. I went since true juice start have like this.
Yeah.
What do you call it? What do you call it? A Zoom phone?
No, it's a bullhorn.
A bungo.
A what?
Box cover. Oh, sorry. Why not run?
Below doesn't. Below, I'm here.
It's a box cover.
No.
Box cover. So it's scared.
What? Yeah, put him on.
Yo, I need to buy one of these.
This thing is like.
Can you imagine a parent having this control of it?
No.
Money, wake up.
This is
the things have a nice sink.
That works. That working for me. Bro.
Yeah.
Got camp. Then got camp. And my mother leader. Then one of these.
Oh.
And I'm here with everybody at one time.
That's what she does.
So we go over there and meet at the field.
Yeah.
My mother used to look for us.
And talk to it.
So it's my mother listening. You see, I
My mother don't know that already.
Exactly.
I don't want her with this.
I know what to do. Let's go to the bathroom. And them time when you have pool morning, you know when the new house there, they have hot water at that time. So you have to just sit down at the bathroom, turn on the pipe, lock the door.
Yeah, man.
Knock on the door and go in and slap me up and say, go to the shower.
You used to hate them some of that.
I just pulled my son to the
Whenever knows the parents know the sound, they like you can't tell when your body under the water. But things to me I go around. But things to me I go around, you know, and I put on me and say, okay, me to run. And the mother said, you think me don't know?
My son come out and times up and mommy
listen,
yeah.
I don't know what she used to be before.
It have one different sound, man.
It does.
It's like you're on the show, so you're not really hearing no drip.
Listen, you feel like you're smart.
In the period get this.
Mother come out and like, oh, run your neck back so dry. Oh, them something I should. So when you're fake, you have to wet up the rag, you have to go all out.
I think so, you don't. Why are you doing this to us? Listen to me. Listen to me. I will fight you out here. I will fight you.
No, I say alright. Oh. Come here, sit and chair one long time. I see you down there right to them and say, whoa. You're right here, pen pal.
No.
Oh, sorry.
A fool for property. No. A fool for property.
You know, I've been asking for a borrow. You must count to 2. One more.
2. Another
one more. See them man, strength. Me people like them, I see them up on the road. Them up on the road and I'm still trying to sneak in games. You know them a fitness friend like out of the blue, they was on the sound like, alright, I'm trying to get an extra gain.
Why though? Why you guys have to always be showing off on the bicycle?
Me? I don't show my bicycle. I don't show my bicycle.
What do women want?
Do I look like
I just mentioned that I was feeling a little bit peckish, and out of nowhere, the lovely people from Scotiabank and Black Ink Marketing provided all of this just for me alone, you know. Talk about special treatment, see there? Oh, I can't open it here, man, because see there, I just mentioned, hold on. On here, like, okay, hold on, give me a second. Wow. So look at this. So this is actually my meal prep, guys. This is my meal prep for right now. No man, them read some here really fast. Okay. Alright, so okay, here we have some specially prepared. This is some uptown dumplings with some sauteed jerk sauce. So this is what I have over here. And over here we have some fruits from the Garden of Eden. Look at that, you have pineapple, you have melon. Here, so I think this is popcorn fish. This is over here, and then right here is all we have. Okay, we can't lift up this one. But thank you guys so much. What are you run for? She prepared it especially for me. She prepared it to show her there, she prepared it just for me. What kind of juice is this? So this is guava juice and you prepared it just for me, right? Thank you very much.
This Scotiabank Next Play Cup, the inaugural. And that's the whistle.
In the world. He scored in the Allianz Arena against Bayern Munich. He was also captain of Bolton Wanderers, captain of Jamaica, captain of Wolmers. Any other team? Ricardo Bibi Gardner.
Hey!
No. And no. Who are the champions? I did not hear. Who are the champions? That sounds like they are the champions. And because they are the champions, we're going to invite the champions with a rousing round of applause from you all to the stage to collect their gold medals. Holy family. And we're going to ask the two representatives from the different ministries, Dr. Davidson and of course Mr. Johnson, to make the presentation. And the trophy itself will be handed over by Ricardo Bibi Gardner. Let's deal with the medals first.
Alright, so I'm there with Mr. Christopher Richardson. He's the winning coach. How it feel?
Mad, you feel mad, you happy man, overwhelming man, big up. Yeah man, be a campfire man, the boy them come over, be a campfire.
Oh, okay, so where you gonna do that, the money and the prize? Come here, say have like millions, you win and all kind of stuff.
You want to say the money will win still, and I don't think it's cash we're getting. I think we want to pay.
Oh, so yeah, just for, yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, but
boy, so
I youth them, you know, so the money really count. The trip is more important. So I said that, yeah, man, yeah,
alright,
man.
so what is it like for you know, instill like, you know, good values, sportsmanship and all of them things here with them youths here? And what if a problem are them easy for us like tech training and tech
No,
lessons?
you don't know so youths them, so watch I go on. At times they will give trouble.
Yeah.
But just have some disciplinary action put in place for them, so they give trouble, put them back in line. So I said, so
okay.
After that, it's good after that, man. Yeah, man, good after that.
Alright, so we got some of the winning players them.
Hey, coming down.
Step forward, that time. Alright, so I'm going to ask you one question. I just tell me your favorite. Ready? Favorite dance?
Cha-cha boy.
Alright. Favorite food?
Pizza. KFC.
Favorite artist?
Alkaline.
Favorite parent, mommy or daddy?
Mom. Mommy and daddy here. Mommy and daddy here. Smart move.
Set up favorite color?
Shocking color orange.
Alright, if you won $1 million right now, what the first thing you'd do with it?
Buy a house. My passport.
So passport, house, car, what you say?
Where I buy
I say house now, alright. Alright, so tell me your names. Chrisana Foster, and what's your name?
Irisha Robinson.
Alright, so it feel like playing against, like playing among like the guys there? Like them cool, them friendly, or you feel like them sometimes like play equally as rough?
Sometimes them friendly and sometimes them do. When them see that like we score and like the match are done,
yeah.
them get really angry.
Yeah.
And push and foul and
But once you show so you're talented and stuff, them kind of give you a respect. Okay, you two, where you find it? Like playing against, like playing with the guys then? Don't shy, man. Just like tell me, like them nice, them cool are like. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yo, man, if I can tell you, too, you know, like you're good at interviews, you know. Like you're good. No, but I treat him good. Like for you, like him good at interviews. No, for handle himself. Oh, okay, so I'm used to the whole thing. Yeah, man, come surprise me there see him and say, I'm so comfortable and him talk like a captain. Yeah. Like naturally, like me I say I'm so young. It's like him get him coaching like yeah.
I mean, I feel him composed.
We know it was impressive, we don't see like oh yeah, mommy. Yeah, mommy, I do it.
Okay.
Oh, your son this. Okay, so you're like the mother for the whole team.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Don't leave mommy. What I'm saying?
Yeah.
I used to win it.
Oh, you used to win it, not name lose. Okay.
I used to it.
Alright, so the match finish. Our Holy Family Primary are the winners of the first ever Scotiabank CONCACAF Kids Football Championships. And yeah, man, it has been good hanging out with the kids them, you know, enjoying the day so far. I think I'm going to close out the vlog right here, so hopefully you enjoyed it, burritos. As usual, it is Vlogmas, so make sure to say you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe, you do the usual. And yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Peace out.
Appropriate. There you go. Congratulations. So when Jamaica go to the World Cup in France next year, then the next World Cup, Irisha is going to be on that team. She's a little late for this one. Not that she couldn't make it. Andrew Walk, could you step forward, please? Because Mr. Romario Campbell and Kevin Sibley's joint leading goal scorers amongst the male players. There they are, yeah? One from the third place team, one from the champion. Let's hear it for them. We don't have...
For now, I'm at the airport for Butcher return last year.
No, but I'm watching it on TV.
You want to do it? No. Excited, Mr. Butcher?
Yeah, man, real gaga man back in town. And then
Where's the Kartel next?
And then the most man.
And then Ninja Man.
Yeah, so the right thing. Which is right.
Alright, so how was it like, you know, playing a part of the CONCACAF next Scotiabank?
It's great.
Feels great. What's your favorite moment?
win the finals.
Was there any team where they kind of scared off to say, alright, maybe I feel like I probably could have beat them? Which team that?
Emmanuel Costa Rica.
Oh, Emmanuel, but they go there and deliver. Anything you want to say to anybody else now? Anything anybody want to pick up, go ahead and pick up. Anybody want to pick up?
Big up South. Big up family. Big up Mr. Right and Miss Carly.
Alright, anybody else? Any family, any friend? Any friend at school?
Big up my friend in my school.
Alright.
Class, my teacher. Big up teacher, Miss Anthony Mullins.
Alright, man. Bless up, bless up. Alright, bless.